Hi class, welcome back my blog number 3. My name is Thuy Hoang, studying class Women and Leisure for 2018 to discuss how this activity challenged me. So I think as a female, when choosing building a computer, I have foreseen it was a difficult project, but I have never thought it was so challenging for me like what it happened. So I get it done. I assemble correctly all the components together. Unfortunately, I broke one part inside because when I connect the cable to cable receiver of component, I broke it. But I get it done correctly. So when I do this project, I don't have any background of computers. Um, it consumed a lot of my time using tools and equipment to connect all the components together. Kind of hard, but I like it. So my feeling while I participated before doing this project, I thought I was not interested in technology related work, but now I feel like I like it more. Although it's hard, I was attracted by this activity. It was daunting the first time, but when I get it done, I feel like glorious. I feel like, yeah, I did it. I have accomplished something. I feel it's so cool to experience men's interests. What insights into leisure for my gender and the opposite gender will gain. So I wonder why I usually only hear about men build a computer but women. Most of us think that technological activity are not the concerns of women. But it doesn't mean that every woman doesn't like technology. I have some female friends who are computer science engineer. They're working now, and some of my female friends also pursuing engineering major. So I think the insight into leisure are not different in genders. Insights into perceptions depend on different individuals and environment. So, how these perceptions influence their choice. So, good I participating in the activity again. For me, I could say yes, I could participate in this activity again if I have a plan for getting a new computer, because this activity helped me discipline my patience, and especially I think it will be so cool to show people that this computer is built by me, a female. So I think women absolutely can build a computer like what men do. Um, I was surprised how men can put so much patience and willing to deal with very detailed activity. Because I mean, patience and detail seem to be females' characteristic, not male characteristic. So building a computer sounds a masculine activity, but you have to all feminine characteristics as well to get it done. Is that so cool? Um, yes, of course, I think so. So if you have time, try out this activity to experience what I say. I hope you like it. Thank you for watching my video.